Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on View into Huck's World. And we got my man GS Watch Faces back in the building again, and he's bringing with him an awesome, super casual digital watch face. And you know my man always does great work on these watch faces. Now, the name of the watch face is called Digital 14. Now, depending on whether it be for the work week and or for the weekend, this is going to be a nice, super casual watch face to have on your wrist. Now, in the AOD mode for the Gear S3, you're pretty much going to get the same look, the same design. The Gear S2 in the AOD mode is not supported. Sorry about that. Now, this is going to be a 12, 24-hour watch face based off of the format that you have set on your phone. Now you're going to get a nice digital time. I love the font on this one, AM, PM stamp with animated seconds, but I really like the slant that's going on right here with your moon phase. You're going to get the date, your month. Also, you got the days of the week that's slightly slanted as well. It's going to be highlighted to let you know exactly what day of the week it is, which I thought was really nice. Also, I like the heart rate information. I like that it's big and bold, because it's just as important as step information, right? So here, you will get your step status. You get steps, calories burned, miles walked or ran, floors climbed, and we can't let you get out of here without giving you your battery percentage. Now, if you want to, you can tap right here where you get your coffee intake, your water intake, and if you want to go in and set how much coffee you drank, how much water you drank, you can do that right here. Also, if I double tap on the steps, I can change the color. Same thing for calories burned, miles walked or ran, and also floors climbed. And I thought that was pretty cool to be able to customize your watch face a little bit. Now, we're not done yet. Check this out. If I double tap right there, I could change the color theme of the watch face, and I thought that was definitely an awesome look. Now, if you look around the bezel of the watch, you are going to get shortcuts. You're going to be able to get, of course, weather, your settings. You're going to be able to go into your alarm, your scheduler, also going to your text messages and make a phone call, and you get two favorites that you can set with a single tap. And not bad, right? Not bad for a watch face. It packs a punch so far as features and applications are concerned. Now, if I double tap right here, which I thought was pretty cool, you can change the language of the text that's going around the bezel of the watch, and also your days of the week. Very nice by GS. Very, very nice. But the question is, at the end of the day, people, what do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. And if you enjoyed the video, could you please hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.